Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we're going to create an advanced calculator using Python. So let's create a directory first. Calculator. Okay, now let's move inside the directory. So cd calculator. Great. Now let's create a file where we're going to contain our code. So touch main.py. Say main.py. Okay, now let's open the editor. So I'm going to use Vim for this one. You can use any editor you're feeling comfortable with. It's just going to work the same. Okay, so first of all, we're going to import math so we can have the possibility to do calculation. So import math. And after that, we're going to create a function. So def add, open the parentheses, a comma b. Now we're going to return a plus b. Okay, this one just going to run an operator, so for 1 plus 1, like something like that. So you're going to do the same for all the operation we are going to use for this calculator. So return a minus minus b, and another one def multiply, the same process, return a power b. This one is just going to repeat this one again and again and again for all the operator that will be needed for these calculators. Now we're going to create a condition in case the user try to divide a number by 0, so just to catch that kind of error. So if b equal to 0, let's return an error because that operator it's not even an operation. So just division by 0, just equal of be something a little bit explicit, but let's just say that. So now return a divided by d in case just to catch the error. So now another one is def power a comma b, return a power b. This one just like tomorrow. Def square root a. Well, this one since you just require one operator, so let's create another condition. So if a is less than 0, let's return an error because this is actually it's just something nonsense. We cannot do that. I don't think cannot take square root, let's say, of 0, I guess. In otherwise, so return math dot square of the a, like so. In case it's not a is not less than 0, so I'm going to return the square root of a, the number given by the user. So another one we keep up, like the, let's say, percentage of a and b, so the one in second argument, return, let's open parentheses, a divided by b multiply by 100. This is actually how we calculate percentage. So another one is factorial of a, the same as square root, just require one argument. So for this one, it's going to be a little bit different. Let's say if a is less than 0, just return, actually this one is going to return an error just to catch the error. So error factorial of negative numbers. Since we cannot factorial on negative numbers. So otherwise return math factorial of a, just like we did for the square root. And then let's create now a menu, so where the user can choose any operator. So first of all, let's print a message. So let's say /n equal advanced calculator. Just to make it a little bit beautiful to see. Like, don't mind the equal, it actually mean nothing. Another print, let's just now print all type of operator from 1 to 9 from a actually. So one, let's say one is edit, second one is subtraction, subtract probably. So third one is multiplication, So let's say multiply and so on. Great. Now all the operation have an option. Let's add it the last one. Let's call it quit. So user can exit the calculator at any given moment. This one just think that everything is set. I didn't forget anything. Great. Now let's define another function, the main function, which is going to run our whole code. Okay, let's call it main as usual. So let's say while true, so it keeps looping over and over again. So menu, let's create a variable to get user input. So input, upper parentheses, let's say let me enter, let's say enter your operator. Yeah, actually no, let me go, choose an operator. Yeah, actually this one better. Okay, now let's create a condition if choice equal to 9. So if the user enter 9, so actually want to quit, let's say goodbye, and then I want to exit the loop, I will just break. Okay, just break. Otherwise, if choice choice in, I create a directory dictionary. So in 1 2 3 4 5 and let's say in 7. Yes. So if the choice is inside any of these, any number from this dictionary, then let's say a, the first number, I'm going to I want a float number, so let's say float input. Now ask him to enter the first number. Okay, and then B, same process, input, ask him to enter the second number. Great. Now another case, so otherwise a leaf choice in another dictionary, let's say 6 and A. Well, in this case, you just require one input. So let's say A equal a float number. So you want a float number. So excuse me, input enter, oh wait, enter a value. No, let's say enter your number. Yeah, this one just simple. Okay, now let's perform our calculation. So let's if choice equal to 1, so print results, excuse me, results, I want to colon, okay, yeah, just here, okay, a comma, a edit a b. Now I'm just calling the function like I created earlier. Otherwise, if choices equal to, so a function was subtract, so I'll just call that function again, print result, wait, result colon comma subtract a b. We just keep doing it again and again. For the 7 option, it's a little bit different, because like I could just print, like say print result. I could actually go with this one, but it's not actually gonna work, I think. Let me go with the more specific ways to do that. So let's say let me wait, I should remove this. Let's go with f string a, calling the function is percentage a b colon dot 2, because there are two numbers. Let's say f, I think that's actually how we call it. Now I go everything a percentage of b. Exact. I think that's actually how they do this. Well, we will see if I'm getting this wrong, but I think that's actually how we calculate the percentage. Okay. Otherwise, let's choice equal a. We just keep the process like we use it to do. Print result factorial a factorial int, because it's integer. I want an integer, so int a. Okay. I think that's it. So lastly, else. So if print invalid choices, try again. Yeah, in case a user try to enter a value which is not specified into my choices option. Okay, so maybe if you enter like a word or 10, 11, 20, whatever, as long as it's not in a given choice, it's just going to print of invalid choice. So now I'm just going to run the code, the whole script, and see if I did any error. Let's call the whole function main. I think that's it. Okay, now let's save and exit. So let me control space. Oh, excuse me. No. Okay, now let's run Python main.py. Oh, it seemed like I got an error. Perfect, you forgot a comma. Oh, okay, yeah. I know. Excuse me. Just a moment. Okay, let me actually solve this real quick. It seemed like I forgot a comma. Yeah, exactly. Okay, here. Yeah. So let me just solve this real quick. Not like this. Actually, yeah. And here too, comma, and here too. Great. Okay, let's exit. Let's save and exit again. The same process. Control space colon WQ and like exclamation mark. Python main.py. Okay, everything is working now. Let's choose an operator to see how it's actually working. Choose an operator, let's say 3. First number, let's say 5. Second, 25, probably. Okay. That seemed to work. Let's try again. Let me go which operator can 1. Let's say 5 plus 5 equal 10. Actually, it's working. Everything seems well, but it seems like there's a little issue. I just want to make it a little bit clearer or better vision. So let me go actually fix this. I think it's here. Oh yeah, I forgot to add the colon to the input. Actually, let me do that just real quick. So oh, excuse me. Let's say space, let's colon. So it's give a lot of big beautiful vibes. Another place in here. Wait, I think I did it somewhere here. Oh, okay, here. It seemed like I forgot one here too. Space colon. Okay, now I think everything is good. I don't have any other issues. So let's go run a code again. Let me save and exit. Save. Oh, excuse me. Control space. Colon WQ exclamation mark. Okay. Python main.py. Great. Now it's a little bit more clever. Let's try again. Let's say 7. Okay. Enter the first number. Let's say 20. Second, let's say 50. Great. It's 100%. Yeah, actually it's work. It's great. Another one. Let's try again for the last one. Let's say 6 square root. Enter. Oh, seem like I need to solve the issue too. So let me actually quit. So let's say 9. Okay, I'm just going to edit a colon to the factorial operator. So let's open the editor again. Where is it? Let me search for it. Actually, yeah, here it is. Input choice. Yeah, let's actually fix this one too. Space colon. Yeah, now everything is clever. Let's save and exit. Oh no, control space colon WQ exclamation mark. Okay, Python main.py. It's good. So let's try again. Let me enter 6. Great. Now it's way clever, better. Very good. I think that's it. Yeah, let's try A as well. Factorial. Let's say 25. It's a whole number. I think it's great. It's good. Let's try again. Another operator. Let's say which one? A simple one. Let's say maybe 1. Okay, let's go 50 plus 50 equal 100. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you guys on next Friday for another video.